paano gumawa ng sariling QR code sa Canva. Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Mariel, your math teacher and the crafter. And in this video is tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano gumawa ng sarili nyong QR code sa Canva. Madali lang to, so panoorin nyo hanggang dulo. Let's go! Okay, so first, let's open Canva again. And ito, meron ako ditong file. Ayan. So, then right after that is punta lang kayo sa apps. Ito yung apps. And then search for QR code. And then just wait for it. And ito yung ginagamit ko for QR code. Ayan. So, open lang natin yan or click mo lang din yan. And then after that, just put your URL. But right now, let's go to my Facebook page. Business page, The Handcraft. So, pwede nyo akong i-follow dyan. And tingnan nyo yung mga ginagawa namin. So, let's have Control A and then Control C. And then, let's go back to Canva. There you go. And then, paste it here. Control V. And then, after that, just generate the code. And, eto na siya. Super duper dali lang yan. And then, pwede nyo siya actually i-customize. Like, pwede nyo siyang ibahin ng color. Like, yung background, let's say, let's make it pink. And then, yung foreground color, let's make it a little bit reddish. Like that. Then, you just have to update the code. And then, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Parang hindi ko type yung color niya. So, palitan natin. Let's make this white na lang. I guess, mas maganda siya if white. So, update, generate code again. And then, ayan na siya. So, let's try it kung gagana siya. This time, I just opened the screen recording of my phone. And then, punta ka lang sa camera. And then, ayan. As you notice, meron na tayo dyang link ng Facebook. And then, of course, i-click mo lang yan. So, definitely, it's working. And, ayan na siya. After you click the code, ayan na siya. So, di ba, napakadali lang gumawa ng sariling QR code. Pwede niyang gamitin sa mga maps and mga Facebook and any social media account that you want to create your own QR code. So, gamitin niyo lang yan in Canva. Napakadali lang yan. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and if may gusto kayong matutunan pa about Canva, pwede nyo akong i-message or pwede din kayo mag-comment sa comment section down below. And pwede nyo din akong i-follow dito sa Facebook, on my YouTube channel. Sa YouTube channel ko, gumagawa naman ako ng mga math tutorials and so on. And yung mga tutorials na ginagawa ko like this Canva is ina-upload ko na rin sa ating YouTube channel. And also to my Facebook account, TikTok account. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I hope that you like this video. And if you like it, please heart or react. That's all for this video. See you again in my next one. Bye!